this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford F-350 in a Lariat trim, powered by a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with a bit of a lift installed, giving you some added height, as well as vent shades on the windows, which is always a nice accessory. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo, as well as revealing a collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge. And in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as two more in the middle there with a 12-volt, two USBs, 110-volt power outlet, and heated rear outboard seats. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside and warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, and three memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, pedals, and mirrors. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 136,034 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left, you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, as well as your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, fuel history, compass. Then you have your truck info with your gauges, tire pressures, digital speedometer, DEF status, engine info, transmission temperature. Then you have your towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, including My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth capable. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your truck. And above that, you have your diesel exhaust brake, traction control shutoff, hazards, hill descent assist, lane keeping system, and your camera view again with your forward-facing camera. And then moving down from that, you have your media controls and then your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, but also heated and air conditioned front seats. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller. And on the right, you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. Moving down from your climate controls here, you have this compartment with two USBs, and then you have your center console area with two cup holders that can be turned into four, as well as your lockable center compartment / armrest with a ton of room inside, including another 12-volt power outlet. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. Looking up, you have 6 upfitter switches, which can be wired up however you please. And last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof, so you can land the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111, and have a nice day.